Welcome to my kcse revision channel, Teacher James Marita, Tribal Sports School. Kindly subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell such that you get notified once I upload a new video. Today we are looking at kcse revision Form 3 work, and that is the industrial process. And our topic is nitrogen and its compound. And today we are looking at two things. One is the laboratory preparation of nitric acid using the kcse apparatus. And then we have a reaction of dry ammonia gas and oxygen gas. So we start from our first diagram. We have the kcse apparatus. Kcse apparatus are used for the laboratory preparation of nitric acid. Remember, we have the industrial preparation of nitric acid, and now we are looking at the lab preparation. So what do you require during the lab preparation? You need, of course, this retort flask, and then we have the glass stopper, we have cold water, then we have a reagent which can be used for the preparation of nitric acid. We have two reagents which are normally required. That is the potassium nitrate or sodium nitrate reacted with the concentrated sulfuric acid. So what are some of the questions you are expected to get from this particular diagram? First of all is to state the observation made in the retort flask, and of course you should be able to write the correct chemical equation that takes place when potassium nitrate react with a concentrated sulfuric acid, or sodium nitrate reacting with a concentrated sulfuric acid. And of course now we have the cold water, and then you are supposed to know the purpose of cold water in this experiment, and of course you give the observation in the retort flask. So for this reaction to take place, one condition is required, that there must be heat. So a reagent for the preparation of that, we have a concentrated sulfuric acid reacting with either the potassium nitrate or the sodium nitrate. Then after having this one now, you are supposed to state the correct observation which is made in the retort flask. Of course, you can see a fumes of nitric acid there. So for the reaction to take place here, you must have a presence of heat, whereby if you use the potassium nitrate, it can react with the concentrated sulfuric acid, and then we have the potassium hydrogen salivate, and then we have a fumes of nitric acid. So you can also use the sodium nitrate reacting with the concentrated sulfuric acid. So you have the sodium hydrogen salivate, and of course then we have a fumes of nitric acid. Now, what is the precaution here again? That all these apparatus, the kcse apparatus, all of them, they should be made of glass. So sometimes you will be required to give the reason why that all these apparatus here, it is made up of glass. The reason why all these apparatus is made up of glass is because nitric acid is corrosive, it is a corrosive acid. Therefore, what happens? It corrodes the rubber and the wooden corks. So if the rubber is used or the wooden cork is used, it can be corroded by this nitric acid. Therefore, the apparatus which is used here, all of them, they should be made of glass. Another thing that you are supposed to know, it is the purpose of this cold water. Remember, during the reaction of either potassium nitrate or sodium nitrate with the concentrated sulfuric acid, there is a production of fumes of nitric acid in this case, or nitric acid vapor. So the purpose of this cold water, it is just to condense the nitric acid vapor to nitric acid in that case. So we have cold water is used to condense the acid vapor. And the reason why this one here is because nitric acid is a volatile in nature. Volatile, we are saying that it can just evaporate easily it can easily evaporate in a high temperature. So the cold water normally is used in that case to condense the nitric acid vapor to liquid. And again now, what are some of the observations that you can make in this retort flask? So the observation you can see, it is a brown fumes in the retort flask. A brown fumes is because of a brown fumes is because we have either potassium nitrate or sodium nitrate, which can react with the concentrated sulfuric acid, and then you will have the fumes of nitric acid. Now, the acid produced from here, it is yellow in color. So sometimes you will be required, give a reason why the acid produced here it is yellow in color. The reason why the acid produced here is yellow in color, it is because there is a nitrogen oxide gas which just dissolve in the gas, which just dissolve in the acid. So the dissolving of this nitrogen oxide gas, it makes this acid to appear yellow. Then how is the yellow color being removed? The yellow color is just removed by purpling the air through the acid. So if you purple the air through the acid, you will be able to remove that yellow color. Now, why do we normally use the concentrated sulfuric acid here in this case? So give a reason why the concentrated sulfuric acid is used. Concentrated sulfuric acid is used to prepare the acid because it is less volatile. Hence, it displaces a more volatile nitric acid. Volatile, we have said that nitric acid, it cannot be easily evaporated in nature. And therefore, the sulfuric acid, it cannot be easily evaporated in nature, while the nitric acid can easily evaporate in nature. Therefore, the concentrated sulfuric acid is used to prepare nitric acid in this case because it is less volatile compared to nitric acid, which is more volatile. That is, it can easily evaporate in nature. And again now, the acid produced here, it is normally stored in what? This acid produced here, it is stored in a dark container. The reason why it is stored in a dark container, it is to prevent it from the decomposition in the presence of light. That is a very simple summary on this kcse apparatus. That is the laboratory preparation of nitric acid. So I have another part here where we have a reaction of a dry ammonia gas and of course dry oxygen gas. So we have, as you can see from the observation, you will have a green flame. So during the reaction of nitrogen, the reaction of ammonia with oxygen, it will just burn and produce a green flame. Then we have the glass tube, and of course we have a glass bowl. We have from here a dry ammonia gas, and then from the other side you will have a dry oxygen gas. So sometime in an equation you will not be given these gases. You will be given, for example, this one will be gas X and this one will be gas K. Then you will be asked now to name the gases. From this side here, we have a dry oxygen gas. Then from this side we have a dry ammonia gas. When the two react, they will just produce a green flame. That is the observation you can make from there. So what you need to understand is that here in this reaction is that ammonia gas does not support burning. So if ammonia gas which does not support burning, so it burns in a lot of air. So it burns in a lot of air. In this case here, it burns in excess air to produce a green flame. That is normally the observation you can see from this case. So the equation of the reaction, you will have a dry ammonia gas reacting with the dry oxygen gas. Therefore, you will have a nitrogen gas, and then you have a fumes of, you will have a water vapor, or just you will have water in a liquid form. So you will have ammonia reacting with oxygen to have nitrogen gas, and then we have water vapor. Now, the main thing we are supposed to understand from this reaction here, it is the purpose of the glass bowl. Now, what is the purpose of the glass bowl? The purpose of the glass bowl here, it is to ensure that there is an equal distribution of oxygen. So if you require to give the purpose of the glass bowl, it is to ensure that there is an equal distribution of oxygen. So these are the two things. You will be able to write the equation of the reaction correct, and then you will be able to understand the purpose of the glass bowl, whereby it is to ensure that there is an equal distribution of oxygen. That is a very simple summary on the kcse apparatus, the laboratory preparation of nitric acid, and the reaction between dry ammonia gas and dry oxygen gas. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, watch and share. Thank you for watching.